The rarest blood type in the world is Rh null blood, and it's known as the golden blood type. Fewer than 50 people around the world are known to have it. Unlike most people who have Rh antigens on their red blood cells, Rh null blood lacks these antigens entirely. Blood types are determined by the presence or absence of specific antigens on red blood cells, and the Rh system is the largest blood group system, containing 61 antigens. Rh null blood was discovered in 1961 in an Australian woman. Until then, doctors had assumed that an embryo missing all Rh blood cell antigens would not survive. However, individuals with Rh null blood can grow into normal adults. Due to its extreme rarity, Rh null blood is both considered lucky and dangerous to live with. As a result of lacking Rh antigens, Rh null individuals can only receive blood from donors with the same blood type, making finding compatible blood donors extremely challenging. If you have Rh null blood type, receiving a transfusion of a blood type with any Rh antigens will cause your body to reject the blood. Those with Rh null blood are encouraged to donate their blood to help others with rare blood types. Because Rh null blood contains no Rh antigens to be rejected, it can be a universal donor for those with generally rare blood types. Knowing your blood type is essential, as it can be a matter of life and death, both in terms of needing a transfusion and potentially saving someone else's life.
Imagine having a blood type so rare that only 43 people in the world up till now have been known to have it. This blood group is called the golden blood. Blood transfusions are often needed in case of accidents or because of blood loss during surgery. Some people with chronic diseases need blood transfusions throughout their lives. This would all be easy if we donated a lot more or had the same blood type. That would, for sure, help to overcome the blood shortage of certain blood groups, but as you know, we all have different blood group types. Knowing your blood type determines who you can receive from or donate blood to. Our blood is packed with red blood cells which carry oxygen and nutrition throughout our body to its various parts. Red blood cells have certain identifying protein markers on them that we know as antigens. These antigens help your body to distinguish between its own cells and foreign cells. These antigens lay the foundation of the blood grouping system that we have today. The International Society of Blood Transfusion recognizes 35 blood group classification systems. Still, only 2 are widely known and used frequently: the ABO system and the RHD system. The ABO system classifies blood groups based on 2 dominant antigens, antigen A and antigen B. You can have either of these, both, or none. These antigens result in the blood groups known as A, B, AB, and O, respectively. The RH system has several antigens, antigen D being the most important one. The presence of the D antigen is expressed as having a positive blood type. In contrast, its absence is indicated as a negative blood type. The Rh system has around 61 antigens, making it the most extensive blood grouping system. These 2 systems make up the 8 common blood types that we have. You may think that AB negative is the rarest blood type, but imagine having a blood type so rare that only 43 people in the world up till now have been known to have it. This blood group is called the golden blood, or Rh null blood group. It's the world's most dangerous blood type one can have because people with Rh null blood type cannot receive any other blood type's donation. In case you get into an accident and need blood, no one's blood will be compatible with yours, and this can be life-threatening. Rh null is called Rh null blood type because it does not have any of the 61 antigens present in the Rh blood group system. It is also known as the golden blood type because this rare blood group with no Rh antigens present can be life-saving for other rare blood types that have a few Rh antigens missing. That is why it is known as a universal donor, especially for the different rare blood types wherein the Rh blood system. This is a blessing for others, but can be a curse for those having this blood type. Rh antigens that are present on red blood cells have an advantage. The absence of these antigens results in the instability of the red blood cell membrane, leading to faster than the usual breakdown of red blood cells. This rapid breakdown can lead to hemolytic anemia, which causes fatigue, jaundice, and other symptoms. Because we have a handful of people with this blood type and less than 10 of them donate blood, it is hazardous for people with such a rare blood type in case they get injured or need surgery. The Rh null blood group was first brought to light in 1961 in an Australian woman. At that time, doctors believed that an individual having none of the Rh antigens would not survive. But that was certainly not the case, as in the following years, a total of 43 people to date are known to have this blood type. As blood types are generally inherited, scientists researched further into its inheritance pattern. They found that Rh null blood group was in fact a result of two completely random genetic mutations based on pure chance. Hence the possibility of acquiring the golden blood group is scarce. People with Rh null blood group must rely on a closely connected network of other individuals with the same blood group and regularly donate to save themselves if the need arises. Any other blood group type would be incompatible and would cause possibly fatal reactions in their body. People with Rh null blood group are recommended to remain cautious throughout their lives. Injuries that are serious but treatable, which wouldn't be as harmful to anyone with a regular blood type, can lead to disastrous effects for Rh null blood groups.
This has been a Cincinnati production. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, links are in the description.